Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Thinkific step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Thinkific website at thinkific.com. Click on the Get Started Free button on the homepage. Fill in the required details to create your account. Provide your email address and create a password. Choose a subdomain for your Thinkific site. This will be the unique URL for your course platform. Click on the Create Your Thinkific Site button to proceed. You will be redirected to the Thinkific dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Start by selecting the Courses tab on the left side. Click on the Create Course button to initiate your first course. Choose between the blank course or a template. If you select a template, review the options available. Once you've made your choice, proceed by clicking Select. Add a course title and provide a short description. Next, upload a featured image for your course. This image will attract potential students. Scroll down to set up the course pricing. Decide if you want to offer your course for free or as a paid option. After setting the price, click on the Save button. Now, move to the Curriculum tab to begin adding your content. Click on Add Chapter to create modules for your course. You can add lessons within each chapter. Choose the format for your lessons such as videos, quizzes, or PDF files. Upload your content accordingly. Once your lessons are added, adjust the settings for each. Make sure to enable features like quizzes and certificates if required. After completing the curriculum, navigate to the Settings tab. Review and adjust general course settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.